Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So we've actually just been out for this lap, but I'm doing the intro now. RS3, this is now lap 6 I think, wasn't it Ed? Lap 6?
6, yeah.
Yeah, so we're starting to get to know a bit more now, but we've also been out in each other's cars. So what you're about to see is a full lap with Ed in the passenger seat in the RS3. Just to run down everything, it is completely stock, absolutely stock. The tyres are on the precipice of being dead, but the car is fantastic, it's phenomenal. Enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and enjoy this full lap. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What's this, lap number 7 now?
How many you done today?
2 today.
2 already?
Yeah, it's just 6.
Yeah, 6.
Right, there's an absolute weapon behind us. Oh, Fiesta's got a poke. First, and then we can rumble. Gearbox is not on there.
There you go.
One GT3s. Be in this position around the ring. Thank you. We'll take that.
So then you feel it sliding a little bit, but
it's manageable, isn't it?
yeah. It's always been like that, it's not just because it's the tyres.
caught the smart car.
going in quite hot there.
I can manage it on the brakes to be fair. That's hot. Worst manoeuvre I've seen all day.
At least he indicated.
Yeah. You guys got a carousel, didn't they?
Yeah.
The team share room for you,
That sounds good, doesn't
Oh.
Just feel it gripping, couldn't you? Fucking hell.
Wow. Woo!
That was good. That is fast.
Yeah.
That is a machine.
Yeah. That was good. The tyres are alright there actually, not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely better than earlier.
Cooler, I reckon the
Yeah.
track temperature would be cooler as well, won't
Well, I need some fuel now.
they? Yeah.
So, as I said at the beginning of the video, we're post lap now. I've taken everybody out now, I think, apart from Dan. We're getting to the place now where the tyres are nearly cooked, very close to being cooked, and I do want to drive back home safely. However, Edward, what did you think?
It was good, very good, very fast. It was great actually. Really enjoyed it. I couldn't quite believe how much it gripped when you sat in the passenger seat. You sort of go into a corner and you feel the tyres squealing. You think it's gonna drift out a little bit, but no, it hits every apex. Fast, yeah, it's good.
We were definitely on the limit of the tyres, not the limit of the car. I think that's fair to say.
No, you could really feel it really pulled out up some of the uphill sections as well. Brakes were great. Yeah, enjoyed it.
Good.
So awesome.
Hello chaps, you've both passengers as well, haven't you? What's your thoughts and your feelings?
Scary. Really scary. Ollie's obviously practiced the track a lot, so he knows every corner. But in terms of the car, straight line speed, very impressive. It's got a real kind of
Punch about it.
punch about it.
Yeah.
The thing I find surprising is how confidence inspiring it is. You can literally just chuck it into corners and be like, yeah, that's fine, don't worry about it. And you just, where in these, the rear wheel drive cars, you'd have to wait maybe half a second before you fully got back on the power. You have to like feather it in. With this, it's like, now let's just go for it. Foot down and you're off, and it like pulls you out of corners. But it's still it's not like understeery front wheel drive. It's a bit like the Jag, mid corner, quite neutral.
Yeah.
So there's no understeer, there's not really any oversteer, it just has like a little bit of a slide.
Me and Ed did have a little moment where the back end stepped out a smidge into the corner.
It wouldn't ever do anything drastic. You
No.
get a little bit, maybe like a tiny bit of counter steer.
Yeah.
And then it's just plant your foot and you're off again.
Yes.
Strong brakes.
Just finds the grip, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Finds the grip.
Mr. Bateman?
Yeah, couldn't agree more. Speed is really impressive. It keeps up, apart from like the proper tier 1 cars, like everything else is as quick as, if not quicker. The four-wheel drive around the corner makes a huge difference. So much control, and the fact that you know the track so well has been really impressive. Like, only our first time on the ring, but you can tell, you know, the places where you can keep the foot down. So super quick.
That's what's scary as a passenger, is like we don't know the like back end of the track so well, and like I'm like, I have no idea where this corner's going, and Ollie's just full throttle, and I'm like, please brake. At that point we're doing this thing called
Daddy Longneck.
Daddy Longnecking. You like push your head into the seat, like preparing for the worst.
Everyone's neck muscles are just so tense.
Like good brakes though. Yeah, that's what was.
Yes, good brakes.
Probably AMGs are slightly better.
Yeah.
But still, these are, you know, really good for a stock brake setup.
Yeah.
No fade.
No.
But then the thing you need is tyres.
Tyres. We've definitely found the limit of the tyre in this car. Yeah.
If you had grippy tyres, it'd be a real one. Cup sports.
Trofeo R's anymore? Yeah, Trofeo R's. Yeah.
Cup, whatever they're called, please.
Any recommendations for sticky tyres? Whack them below. Cool.
Remember to like, subscribe, enjoy the channel.
Now we've done that. Good work, Ed.
Every time.
Good work, every time. So that'll do it for this video, guys. As I said, it's just a straight up full lap of the Nordschleife in the RS3. Make sure to like and subscribe if you've got this far. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers.